Dino Fury key, lock in, link to morphin grid. Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how to make Power Ranger, Dino Fury and ryusoulger morpher. Print out an image of a morpher and trace it on a cardboard and cut it out. Shown in the video. Now cut the image into three parts as shown in the video. The upper part of the dinosaur morpher, the lower part of the teeth and the rotating gimmick part. Trace these different cutout parts on cardboard and paste it. Recheck it by placing the images on it. Now to make the upper rotating gimmick part, draw a circle and cut it out. Then cut out a square of 3.5 or 3 cm and roll it and paste it with the tape. Now paste it on the upper rotating gimmick part as shown in the video. After pasting, check it whether it fit in the circle or not. Then paste a small circle at the down part. You can see that it is easily and freely moving and gives a long life. Take a strip of 2.5 cm and paste it on the border, the upper part on the down part and paste it with the tape. Make a rectangular cut on top left side of the morpher. Then take a chart or a cardboard strip and check it by placing it on your wrist. Then staple it with the velcro. Then attach it to the basement of the morpher. The whole morpher with white paper. Then color the morpher with black color at the bottom and the top half part of the morpher. Mouth leaving the teeth of the morpher. Image of a key. Place it on a cardboard and trace it out and color it with red color. As you can see that the key is fitted on the cutted top left part, rotating part with silver color, which is also the night visor of the morpher. Now further color the left out part of the dinosaur head with red color. Then carefully color the teeth with white color. Paste the printout images on the morpher, or else you can simply draw by referring the original morpher with black marker or sketches. I have pasted the images so that it should look like a real morpher. Ryusoul change.
You so cool.
Knight of Velar, Ryusoul Red or Tricera Fury Red Ranger.